and which sunscreen is best for you. Let's quickly see. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So in this video I will be doing a head-to-head comparison between these two पॉपुलर सनस्क्रीन्स. कभी ना कहीं किसी ना किसी के मुंह से तो आपने इस सनस्क्रीन के बारे में या इस सनस्क्रीन के बारे में सुना ही होगा. डर्मैट रेकमेंडेड सनस्क्रीन्स हैं, ये बहुत ही पॉपुलर हो रखी हैं. हर कोई क्रिएटर, हर कोई इन्फ्लुएंसर, हर कोई डर्मैट इन सनस्क्रीन्स के बारे में बात करता ही करता है. सो आई हैव फाइनली परचेज्ड दीज सनस्क्रीन्स एंड एक्लिप्स सनस्क्रीन के बारे में तो मैंने अपनी एक डेडिकेटेड लॉन्ग वीडियो भी अपलोड करी है ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल. एंड ट्रू डर्मा को मैंने अभी आई थिंक 2 हफ्ते ही हुए हैं मुझे सनस्क्रीन को यूज करते हुए. बट आई हैव अ स्मॉल टू मॉडरेट टाइप ऑफ रिव्यू अबाउट ट्रू डर्मा एज वेल. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल बी डूइंग अ ग्रेट कंपैरिजन टॉकिंग अबाउट द टेक्सचर, consistency, friendliness, price, and many more things about these two sunscreens. So with that being said, let's just quickly start our video. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. क्या करते थे अभी तक आप? कर दो. Now let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so before starting, let me just quickly answer the simple question that might have arisen into your mind, and that is, why is she comparing only these two sunscreens and why not the others? I mean, like, there are a lot of other products in the market. So A, the price of these two popular sunscreen is quite similar, and B, whenever I've seen any dermat talking about the best sunscreens in the market, these two sunscreens come along. So these are the reasons. So these are the reasons, and now let's quickly get started. क्या देख रहे हो? सब्सक्राइब कर दिया? Oh yeah. अगर किया नहीं सब्सक्राइब तो मैं वीडियो कंटिन्यू कैसे करूं, बताओ जरा मुझे. कर दिया? अब ठीक है. Alright, good to go. Now let's talk about their first comparison, and that is their texture. So if we talk about Eclipse sunscreen, then it has a very lightweight, it's like a water to gel type of texture. It blends super easily and absorbs within seconds into your skin, while True Derma sunscreen is a little thicker and it takes more time and efforts to blend into your skin. These are the differences, or you can say the comparison between these two popular sunscreens. Let me tell you one thing, that don't be sad if you were thinking of buying this sunscreen. Like, stay tuned in the video, have patience. There are many good things about this sunscreen that this doesn't have, and there are many good things about this sunscreen that this doesn't have. This is all that this doesn't have. So yeah, so let's talk about the packaging. So if you see Eclipse sunscreen, this comes under this bottle. And why am I doing this comparison? Because if we see the packaging of, or the bottle of this True Dermas, then you will see a pump here. It's like airless pump. So the best thing about this True Dermas bottle is that you don't have to be very cautious about the contamination, because what happens in these type of bottle is that the product get accumulated outside, and it's not good to use this product which is outside of the bottle, right? But it's not the case with this sunscreen. Yeah, that's a good thing about this True Derma sunscreen here. This takes over. Let's talk about their finish. So both of the sunscreens claim that they give matte look. Let's talk about Eclipse first. So Eclipse sunscreen, in my opinion, I don't think it will give you a matte look. Rather, it will give you a very shiny, smooth type of look that you will absolutely love, but not a matte look. On the other hand, if you use this True Derma sunscreen gel, you'll get a proper matte look. Whenever I applied this sunscreen to my skin, I did not feel the need of applying any foundation, which I don't like either. So that's a very good thing about this True Derma. However, it depends upon your choice. Both of the sunscreen does not give a white cast. You have to give few minutes to both of these sunscreens to get absorbed into your skin very easily. And yeah, you all are sorted. There will be no jhanjat of the white cast with these two sunscreens. Now let's talk about the ingredients of these two sunscreens. So Eclipse is a physical sunscreen. It has physical filters. It has SPF 50 PA 3 times plus. Now True Derma also has SPF 50 PA 3 times plus. The protection factor or the protection from the sun is quite similar. But in this sunscreen, silicons are present which are not present in this sunscreen, and this is a proper physical sunscreen. You will see zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, very very good ingredients in this sunscreen. On the other hand, this is a hybrid sunscreen. Hybrid meaning it has both chemical as well as physical filters. It has, I think, titanium dioxide, and then it has chemical filter which is this octyl methoxycinnamate. So these are the things about these two sunscreens. It depends how, like, obviously it depends upon your choice whether you want to have a hybrid sunscreen or physical sunscreen. So these were the ingredients which are present in this sunscreen. इसमें silicons ज़्यादा हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा components हैं which are silicon based. Let me tell you about silicon components. So silicon components basically वो components होते हैं which are added for water and sweat resistant properties into your skin, into your sunscreen, and also it gives a very smooth matte look. So I think that's the reason कि इस sunscreen का proper 110% matte look आता है, because इसमें silicone based components present हैं. And sweat resistant and water resistant दोनों में बोलते हैं कि mattifying, like mattifying तो की तो बात हमने कर ली. Both of the sunscreens claim that water and sweat resistant properties in sunscreen में present होगी, but we're gonna test that, वो किसी और वीडियो में टेस्टिंग कर लेंगे. Moreover, Eclipse sunscreen does not have any fragrance, but True Derma has little fragrance. So sensitive noses, please take a note. And I've already talked about the prices. You'll get both of the sunscreens at rupees 800 something. I'll attach the prices here. Now, which sunscreen is best among these two? Let me give you my final verdict. So pick this sunscreen if you have an oily skin or combination skin. Combination skin. I am telling this based upon my experience because I have a dry skin, and I have recommended this sunscreen to one of my friends, and she has combination skin type, and this sunscreen suited her well too, and this suited me too. So I think these type of, like, the people who have these two type of skin type, they can go for this sunscreen. Also, if you are very concerned about your skin, like if you don't because physical sunscreen has no side effects, like very minimal side effects you'll see if you use physical sunscreen comparatively to the chemical sunscreens. So if you're very concerned about your skin in that way, then you can go for this sunscreen. And yeah, it has no fragrance. And for those people who believe in this line, like less is more, जिनको मेकअप करना, फाउंडेशन लगाना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है, they can use this sunscreen. ये मेरा पर्सनल ओपिनियन है. आई डोंट फील द नीड ऑफ अप्लाइंग एनी फाउंडेशन इफ हैव यूज्ड दिस सनस्क्रीन. इसमें पूरा प्रॉपर मैट लुक आता है, एंड आई डोंट लाइक डूइंग मेकअप. मुझे करने भी नहीं आता है. आई एम नॉट फ्लैक्सिंग दिस थिंग. मुझे करने भी नहीं आता है, एंड मेरे पे अच्छा भी नहीं लगता. एंड मुझे सबसे पहली बात, सेंसिटिविटी बहुत ज़्यादा है, एलर्जी हो जाती है. सो दैट्स आई डोंट प्रेफर डूइंग मेकअप. सो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर मी. मुझे व्हेन आई हैव टू गो टू ओकेजन, मैरिज, तो आई जस्ट put this sunscreen and I don't need anything after that. So yeah guys, it all depends upon your preferences. किस टाइप की सनस्क्रीन आपको लेनी है, इट ऑल डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर प्रेफरेंसेस. इट्स अ फिजिकल सनस्क्रीन, इट्स अ हाइब्रिड सनस्क्रीन. इसमें सिलिकॉन बेस्ड कंपोनेंट है, इसमें आपको मेकअप की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, बट इसमें आपको मेकअप की जरूरत पड़ेगी. इसमें आपको एलर्जी वगैरह का ध्यान नहीं रखना पड़ेगा, बट इसमें आपको सोचना पड़ेगा. इसमें कंटामिनेशन का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मतलब देयर आर द थिंग्स डिपेंड्स अपॉन पर्सन्स इंडिविजुअल प्रेफरेंसेस. सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दैट यू कैन बाय. So yeah guys, that's all. What do you think now? Have you purchased any of these sunscreen, or I was the only one who was, just saying popular, 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 popular? Have you tried any of these sunscreens? Let me know in the comment section, and please do consider subscribing before you leave. If not yet, क्या कर रहे थे? कब का बोला मैंने? 2 बार बोल दिया, कर दो. And okay, so yeah, जाओ अब. मैं क्यों करूँ वीडियो एंड? आप जाओ ना अब. हमेशा लेट्स एंड दिस वीडियो है. मैंने करूँगी. You go before subscribing. No, not before, after subscribing. No, while watching and then subscribing. I know I'm not sounding very funny. Comedy is not my forte. It's not my forte. And do you think I can do comedy? Not comedy, comedy. कॉमेडियन को हम कॉमेडियन बोलते हैं, तो कॉमेडी को हम कॉमेडी नहीं बोल सकते. जो कॉमेडियन होता है ना, उसको हम बोलते हैं कॉमेडियन. होते हैं, आप पेजेस देखोगे इंस्टा पे, दिल से, इट्स नॉट कॉमेडियन, इट्स कॉमेडियन. सो सिमिलरली इट्स नॉट कॉमेडी, इट्स कॉमेडी, मेलोडी. Okay guys, that's all. With the next video, bye, take care.